Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with the Boxycharm. I really thought I wasn't gonna get this box this month, last month. This is the November Boxycharm, and yes, I got it in December. If you don't know, I did a video, which I will leave up in the cards or at the end of the video. I did it basically saying that I won't be getting the Boxycharm for November, but I reached out to Boxycharm. They had great customer service. They was telling me, oh, we're sorry, we was backed up, this, that, third. They said, I'm sorry you lost your box. We'll send you a replacement, but we don't know if we could get the Kuiper serum in the box, so we're gonna send it like separate. So they send it separate, so I know the Kuiper serum is not in this box, so I don't have version number 5, but they told me what I got and they said they're gonna do something similar to it. So I really hope I got the BECCA highlighter. That's what I really wanted, and when they told me that's what I was getting, I was just like, let me get that BECCA highlighter. I better be getting that BECCA highlighter. I better be getting that BECCA highlighter. Anyways, let's get into this box. So this is what the inside looks like. It did get bigger. It has red on the inside now. And that's the card. The theme of the box is stellar. I have version number 2. Where's the version? Oh, there it goes. Version number 2. Before I had version number 5. But let's just see. On the back it says about Boxy pop-up and about the complexion, about swatching it, and then going to Boxycharm / complexion, so you could like tell whatever, because I believe in January we're getting complexion products. So I'm stoked about that. As you already know, this was not the box that I was originally supposed to get. So I do not have the BECCA right shade complexion. I can use this as eye primers, but not concealers or anything else. So yeah. But I know I'm like either chestnut or cocoa. That's one thing I do know. When I did it on Sephora website, they said I was chestnut, but then when I did it on BECCA website, it said it was a cocoa. So I was like, either one. I really wish that I got the dark and deep one, because then I would have known. I really wanted to do a try on Boxycharm unboxing, but you know, the luck of my cards, didn't get it. And when I got it, I already have my foundation and everything on, so I can't try out the eye cream, the brushes. Only thing I could really try out is the highlighter and the palette, but I don't want to because I'm going to the gym, so not gonna be decked out for the gym. But anyways, I got the Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Stem Cellular Eye Treatment. This retails for 50 bucks. The next thing we have is the 2 Boxycharm brushes, which I was excited to get. These baby retails for 35 bucks. I'm trying to see if any of the hairs are gonna come up. Nope, they're looking good. It's really soft. No hairs on my face, so I'm good. First impressions are coming, so just watch out for that, because you know I don't hold back when I review things, and if there are gonna be brush hairs on my face when I'm using it, like some of the people, you're gonna know. You're gonna know. By the way, those retail for $35. I don't believe that it should be worth $35, but to be honest, those are like face brushes. Usually they're like $10 to $15 to $18 to $20. So depending on the quality, I'll tell you if it's worth 35 bucks, but they're Boxycharm brushes. So are they Morphe or are they BECCA? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me calm down. I got the highlighter. This is the Chocolate Geode highlighter from BECCA. This retails for $38. I know this for a fact. I don't have to look at the card because I've always wanted this highlighter. This and the Topaz one and the Rose Gold one, those are the ones that I've been feeding for like 2 years straight, but just haven't bring myself up to buy it, especially because I just don't. And then when the VIP sales come around and I'm just like, ooh, 20% off, 20% off, I usually go for skincare because my skincare is expensive. So I don't be like, let me just buy a highlighter when I have like so many other highlighters. So I'm excited I got this. It's like so pretty. Like, can you even see it in the camera? I'm just stunned. And it's so weighted too. It's like so luxe. Like, I can't have it. I can't believe I'm having it in my arms. Like, not my arms, in my hand right now. Like, thank you, Boxycharm, for getting my order again. The next thing in the box is something else that is like not what I was supposed to get. These are the TULA masks. These are a set of 2. They cost $22. I was supposed to get the under eye mask, which I would have really liked because I've been really stressed, especially with finals and everything else, and that was supposed to like relax me. But I like TULA too as a brand, and I already have TULA masks, but I would love to keep on buying and getting more of TULA. Especially these are actually sold in Space NK. If you haven't watched my video of Space NK of my experience going over there and everything else, go watch it. I will be linking that up in the cards or at the end of this video. Either one comes first. Anyways, TULA masks I'm really excited about. They cost 22 bucks for 2. They're the Nourishing and Brightening Hydro Cosmic masks. They look really cool. Like, they were heavy and weighted too, so it's like, dang. The last product retails for $35. The bigger predecessors of it retails 45 bucks. This is the smaller version of the Dominique I think Celestial palette. This is the Celestial Thunder palette. I think the other one is Celestial Storm. So yeah, I will be definitely doing a review of this. Again, first impressions coming up. Get your mind ready to be blown. Okay, that was too much. These are the shades. Like, oh my gosh. Like, they're really more beautiful in person. Oh my gosh. It's like I want to swatch them, but then I'm like, no, because I'm going to do that in the first impressions. So the total of my box is 180 bucks, and that is well worth the 25 bucks. Oh, by the way, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription that is like a monthly beauty subscription that gives you makeup, skincare, hair care, everything that you love, and it costs $25 a month. It used to cost $21, and 180 is way worth the 25 bucks that I spent. So I'm excited, and I'm getting the Kuiper serum too, and that's 90 bucks. Just add that to the total, and that's way worth the bucks. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and thank you for watching this video, even though I'm not like the last person to do the Boxycharm unboxing. But hey, I finally got my box.